Hello. Hi everyone. Let me introduce Quarks to everyone. I think most of you guys would be hearing this name for the first time, but will keep on coming in future. Quarks is a boutique SI consulting organization. We work in niche areas where we try to deliver solutions to our customers, either in digital transformation, data or AI space. From our DNA perspective, all our leaders are tier A leaders, tier 1 leaders. The organization was founded by my super senior Vipin from IIT Delhi. Rest of my team, technical architects, product leaderships, all are even the engagement managers, delivery managers, all from tier 1 organization. That's how we are planning to push our delivery and excellence in this space. Today, we are going to discuss the AI decade. Our theme and our call to action for the leaders is lead it. The AI decade is here and the transformation is here. Before I start my conversation, I want to ask a hard question. I know all companies are doing AI initiatives, different POCs, different things in different areas. If all your AI initiatives stop today, what would be your business impact? Whether it would be marginal or it would be a huge impact or it would be as usual. If your answer is marginal, we need to think through why. What is the reason the impact is marginal? Is my AI strategy wrong or something else that I have to look underneath? The core answer from our side is it's mostly data, connected systems, your governance, whether you are ready for AI or not. Everyone wants to do POC, but nobody realizes whether they are ready or not. They should be moving to the AI initiatives or not. What does the industry say about this? The more AI pilot, the further behind you fall, unless your foundations are not ready. 87% of the pilots fall in the initial phase. They never touch into the production. Why? Something is wrong. Opportunity sizing, there's a 4.4 trillion opportunity in agentic AI related automation, workflow automation that we are looking ahead into. How we can solve or how we can help. Being a niche, small scale provider, specifically focusing on the technology. If you start working with a small provider compared to a large provider, we provide 3 to 5x acceleration in terms of your deliveries compared to a large provider. What's our POC to production cycle? 12 to 16 weeks. Average POC that we are delivering in current state. In terms of our solutions, what we do, where our focus areas are, the first focus area is data strategy, governance and trust. AI strategy and use case roadmap. This is the core area where we need to identify value. People keep on asking, what's my value? Have you identified value when you have started working on the use case or POC? What you are going to drive? That's the strategic decision. Is this use case prioritized across all the use cases in your organization? That's something we need to answer. Second question is data governance and quality layer. Is my data ready? Frankly, I believe lots of organizations are still in that journey. They have to take that journey. People are focusing on POCs. Who's focusing on governance and quality and integrations? Common, unified, single source of truth. Do you guys have it or not? We need to decide. Or are we focusing on AI pilots? Next component is responsible AI and compliance. What's your guardrails? How do we bring guardrails? We talked about pilots. Are we relying on OpenAI guardrails? Does OpenAI provides banking related guardrails? Can I create an agent which would comply with those guardrails? Not sure where the answer is. What should be our focus area? This should be our focus area. Now, where the industry is heading, autonomous data contracts. We are ready in terms of what AI is capable of. We are not ready in terms of foundation. The future is clean and simple. We can see it. Agents are going to do lots of heavy lifting, but we have to build the foundation. We have to be ready for those autonomous deliveries, data contracts, governance implementations, changing policy dynamics being implemented into contracts. The second focus area that we do work on is data engineering and modern infrastructure, cloud-driven lakehouse implementation, the best solution in today's date for integrated, unified data source that is there. Real-time integrations, streaming, and data operations. That's our second focus area. And third focus area we try to focus on is enterprise integrations. Right now, when we think from business application perspective, AI is bringing change in the applications, change in how we are going to consume the data. We specialize in futuristic integrations that we can enable in your agentic layers. Now, how this whole ecosystem is going to evolve from data engineering perspective? What's the concept of self-healing data pipelines? If my schema changes, who's going to take care of the downstream chain? Agent or a data engineer? That's a question we need to answer. In future, it is always going to be agent. Are you guys ready for that agent or not? That answer, I think we as a GCC leaders needs to identify where we are moving. The third area is advanced AI and generative AI solutions. Everyone, I think all the organizations might have already gone through that ML journey, building probabilistic models for customer churn, lead generation, different areas, different domains. We do specialize in that, but this area has lost its charm. Maybe someone is doing it, someone is not doing it. If someone is not doing it, they're lagging behind in some shape and form. Maybe focusing on agentic AI, that's a core crucial area, is going to stay in future as well. How it is going to change? Automated ML research. Your hyperparameters are automatically tuned by agents. Your information is directly captured, retrained by agents. That's the futuristic design. But do you have ML models necessary for your business optimization at the moment or not? We need to answer. The last component we are trying to answer for is AI operationalization and lifecycle management. When we have all these things, how do we track AI models, ML models, guardrails, monitoring? When something changes, how we are going to move in that direction? This is where we specialize in as a whole, but I want to give a visibility of where our focus area is predictive AI observability. Going forward, what is going to happen is something changes in your model. Who's going to identify that change? Right now, it's manual ML ops reporting that is happening. ML ops engineer is checking it and then making a decision with everyone. Can it be delegated to an agent in future? Yes. That's something we need to be planned and be ready for. And this is the area where we are trying to give organization ideas, what needs to be done, what is the uphill journey that is there to fully enable agentic workflows, agentic integrations, and agentic automations in the organizations. Why Quarks? Why you guys should collaborate as well with us? We are a top tier talent. We focus on quality rather than quantity. That's the first part. Second part is skin in the game. When you guys win, we win. We try to put our focus on turnkey and fixed big projects where you have a clear understanding of what the outcome is, what value you are driving, and what we are going to accomplish in that specific time frame. POC to production. This is a pure AI efficiency gain where coding is delegated, architecture is driven using agentic AI code generations and functionalities that are there. We deliver those value in terms of outcomes to our customers by accelerating that cycle. And last specialization or our core capability is pure play specialist. It's not about putting junior engineers with a senior name and doing the whole, I would say, service industry engagements. It's more about delivering quality to our customers. How we can collaborate or what we can do for you. We know this is an AI decade. You guys have to lead it. We guys have to build it. And how we can collaborate is find your specific use case. Let's have a 30-minute call. We'll within 48 hours come back with the solution, what value you are going to drive, how much impact you are going to drive, how much it is going to cost you, how much time frame you have to do it. So that's more on Quarks. We also have a booth. If any one of you guys have any questions, queries, or specific problem statement that is tinkering you or bugging you, we'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you.